Two of the UK's biggest accounting apps go head-to-head, but which one actually makes your business life easier? On one side, we have Xero, cloud-based, packed with integrations, and trusted by thousands of businesses. On the other, FreeAgent, designed for simplicity, popular with freelancers and small teams. We're testing both in real-world scenarios that matter: invoicing, bank reconciliation, ease of use, pricing, support, and more. No jargon here, just clear, hands-on answers. We're awarding points for every category, so by the end, you'll know exactly which app suits your needs. And trust us, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Alright, before we head into the gritty details, here's a quick overview of what we'll be comparing: pricing, invoicing and expenses, reporting, usability, integrations, and those all-important UK-specific features. Got all that? Cool, let's roll. Kicking things off with pricing, because, let's be real, that can make or break your decision. Xero gives you tiered plans so you can scale up as your business grows, but some of the best features are kind of locked away unless you're on the higher tiers. Now, FreeAgent, it's almost hilariously simple. There's just one flat rate, and it even comes free if you bank with certain partners. Fewer options to scale, sure, but also way less confusion, right? For pure value and fuss-free pricing, FreeAgent actually takes the win here. Moving on to invoicing and expenses. Oh, this is so key. Xero is a bit of a power player here. You get advanced invoicing tools, expense claims are just smooth, and, wait for it, multi-currency support built right in. Invoice customization could be slicker, but still, it's really solid. With FreeAgent, creating invoices is a breeze, and tracking expenses is quick love that. But if you need multi-currency, yeah, you're hitting a wall. So if you're keeping score, Xero kinda edges it out here. Now, let's chat about reporting, because no one wants to be left in the dark about where their money's going. Xero, honestly, it's kind of wild. It gives you these super detailed financial reports, and you can customize the dashboard to fit what you need. Might feel a bit much if your needs are super simple, but wow, the info you get. On the FreeAgent side, it's more about the basics. A simple dashboard and a tax overview, which is great for peace of mind, but if you love to analyze, you might find it limited. So yeah, Xero totally nails this category. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know FreeAgent actually started out because a bunch of freelancers were just done with the spreadsheet grind? It's literally built by people who know that pain. Alright, quick pause. How easy are these actually to use? Xero is super modern, the interface is clean, but honestly, the setup can be a bit of a project, especially if you're new to this stuff. FreeAgent though, it's practically made for people who break out in a sweat at the word accountant. It's just friendly, easy, and the mobile app's actually good. The only thing is, sometimes it feels a bit toy-like, which could be a turnoff if you want ultra-professional vibes. Still, for usability, FreeAgent gets the win. Let's talk integrations, because hey, who doesn't love a good workflow hack? Xero here goes hard. It can hook up with over 800 other apps, plus it's got an open API if you're into that sort of thing. But, real talk, all those options can get a little overwhelming. FreeAgent is more focused, tight links with major UK banks, but if you're looking to go international or super niche, you might feel a bit boxed in. So if you're someone who loves tinkering with integrations, Xero is definitely ahead. Last up, let's zoom into those UK-specific features. If you're based in the UK, this can honestly make or break your choice. Xero covers the bases, HMRC compatibility, sorts your VAT returns, though payroll's an add-on, which is a bummer. Now, FreeAgent was practically designed for the UK freelancer. It just makes direct tax filing easy, everything feels tailored to, like, your exact needs if you're a sole trader or micro-business. Maybe not so hot if you're planning to go global, but if you're staying UK-based, FreeAgent easily wins here. Okay, if we plot these all out, you can really see Xero dominating in the power user categories like reporting and integrations, but FreeAgent totally shines for user-friendliness and UK-specific needs. It's a pretty tight race depending on what you actually need. So here's my take. If you're the type who loves deep analytics, wants options to plug into all sorts of apps, or planning to grow past being a solo act, Xero is like your accounting command center. But if you're a UK freelancer, sole trader, or you just want everything to work without a headache, FreeAgent is honestly such a stress-free option. No spreadsheets, no drama. Alright, if you found this breakdown helpful, do me a favor, stick around for more no-nonsense business software reviews. Seriously, don't get stuck with the wrong app for another